ডিয়াৰ ষ্টুডেণ্টছ, তোমালোক ভালে আছা নহয়? কোভিড সংক্ৰমণৰ দ্বিতীয় তৰংগই আমাক আকৌ জুৰুলা কৰিছে। গতিকে ঘৰতে থাকি আমাৰ পঢ়া শুনাসমূহ যেনেকৈ পাৰোঁ আগবঢ়াই নিয়াটোহে বুদ্ধিমানৰ কাম হ'ব, নহয়নে বাৰু? বাৰু, তোমালোকে মিছিছিপি নদীৰ নাম শুনিছানে? This is the second longest river in the world. পৃথিৱীৰ দ্বিতীয় দীৰ্ঘতম নদী হৈছে এই মিছিছিপি নদী, আৰু এই নদীখন আছে আমেৰিকা যুক্তৰাষ্ট্ৰত। এই মিছিছিপি নদীৰ পাৰতে ডাঙৰ দীঘল হোৱা এটা ল'ৰা টম ছয়াৰ। এই টম ছয়াৰৰ কাহিনীকে লৈ 1876 চনত মাৰ্ক টুৱেইন নামৰ এজন আমেৰিকান লেখকে এখন পৃথিৱী বিখ্যাত শিশু উপন্যাস লিখি উলিয়াইছিল। ইয়াৰ নাম আছিল দ্য এডভেঞ্চাৰ্ছ অৱ টম ছয়াৰ। টম আছিল এডভেঞ্চাৰ ভাল পোৱা এটা ল'ৰা। এডভেঞ্চাৰ মানে কি? ৰোমাঞ্চকৰ অভিযান, অৰ্থাৎ য'ত বিপদ আপদো আছে অথচ আনন্দময় ভাল লগা অভিযান। এনে অভিযানবোৰক আমি এডভেঞ্চাৰ বুলি কওঁ। টমৰ এনে এডভেঞ্চাৰৰ সংগী আছিল তাৰ বন্ধু হাকলবেৰী ফিন। তাক সকলোৱে হাক বুলিয়েই মাতিছিল। তোমালোকৰ ইংৰাজীৰ পাঠ্যপুথিত টম ছয়াৰ নামৰ যিটো পাঠ দিয়া হৈছে সেইটো আচলতে মাৰ্ক টুৱেইনৰ দ্য এডভেঞ্চাৰ্ছ অৱ টম ছয়াৰ নামৰ গ্ৰন্থখনৰ পৰা লোৱা হৈছে। তোমালোকে কেতিয়াবা সুযোগ পালে মাৰ্ক টুৱেইনৰ এই বিখ্যাত গ্ৰন্থখন পঢ়িবা। এতিয়া মই তোমালোকক টম ছয়াৰ এই পাঠটোৰ ৰিডিং কৰি দিছোঁ, তোমালোকে ভালদৰে মন দি যাবা। Open your textbook, lesson 2, page 21. চাওঁচোন আহা। Tom was fond of adventures. He had always dreamed of finding boxes of hidden treasure in haunted houses. So he made a plan with his friend Huck. On a Saturday evening, the two friends decided to go on a treasure hunt. The two boys selected a broken down house in a quiet place. It was at a distance, far away from the village. I don't want to go to a haunted house. I am afraid of ghosts, Huck said to Tom. Come on, Huck. Ghosts don't come before midnight. We won't be there the whole night, Tom assured his friend. Tom and Huck entered the house armed with a pickaxe and a spade. They started digging at a particular place inside the house. After digging for some time, they were tired and stopped digging. Just at the moment, they heard a voice outside. Shocked, they left their pickaxe and spade, ran up the staircase, and hid themselves inside a room on the first floor. Through a hole in the floor of the room, they saw two men entering the house. One was a well-known thief named Joe. He was tall. The other man was short and lame. The two men noticed the pickaxe and the spade left behind by Tom and Huck, and they started digging at the place the boys had chosen. After some time, Joe's spade struck something solid, and soon he dug out a box full of gold coins. The two men cried out in joy. It's a great discovery. I wonder who buried the box in this house? Joe said to his friend. Forget the man who buried the box. Have you thought of the pickaxe and the spade? Who left them here? I think someone had come here before we arrived. Let's search the house. The men left the pickaxe in the room. I'm sure he's now hiding on the first floor, said Joe to his companion. He started going upstairs with his companion. The two boys felt their blood running cold. Thankfully, the old stairs collapsed and Joe toppled to the ground. The boys began to breathe more easily. Wrapping the box with a blanket, Joe lifted it on his shoulder, and the men left the place. On seeing the two men leaving the house, Tom and Huck ran downstairs. Thank God, we had a narrow escape, Huck said to Tom. See, I told you, treasures are indeed buried in haunted houses, said Tom. But where is the treasure, Tom? We came looking for it and missed it. They dug the place with the help of our tools and took away the gold coins, grumbled Huck. Don't worry, Huck, said Tom. Let's go and search for hidden treasure in some other haunted place. তোমালোকে এতিয়া নিজেই এই পাঠটি পঢ়িবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰা। ইয়াৰ পাছত আমি পাঠটোৰ আলোচনা